Here are a couple of our filter control panels that we have in production. We make all of our filter controllers down here in Dallas, Texas. We designed, developed everything specifically with the aquatics industry in mind. Everything that gets built here gets tested and programmed. If we have the necessary information for what system this specific controller is going to be used on, we'll pre-program it ahead for you so that you don't have to do all the parameters while you're on site. What that includes is things like flow rate, speed control, things of that nature. So we do everything to the best of our ability to make sure that once this controller shows up on site, it's as plug and play as possible to make it easy on the contractors. A big difference between our filter controllers and competitors is we try to do everything within the filter controller, mainly our speed control. So our filters are supplied with a flow meter. That flow meter gets plumbed in, wired to the filter controller, and we do all of our speed control with our PID speed control through our PLC. The benefit of doing it this way is our flow meter doesn't require a saddle. It's just a 1/4 inch MPT thread with a compression fitting, comes with a factory cable, and it reduces the amount of wires that the electricians or contractors have to run to the flow meter, say back to a chemical controller or a VFD. With our system, really all you have to run are the required wires from the filter controller to your VFD, and you know that all your operations are going to work seamlessly. A big thing that we took into account when we designed our controller was we always plan for A, B, and C. A being everything works as intended, no hiccups, everything's running smoothly. Plan B is, okay, something went out, something's not responding. We've developed in the back end of our controller, we have multiple overrides, manual controls. If it's not working in option A, we can actually get our filter system running manually by starting the pump, operating some pneumatic valves, and simulating that pre-coat cycle to get us back to filtering water. Most times when things happen in aquatics facilities, it's Saturday morning. Most manufacturers aren't going to answer their phone. If you're in an emergency, you need to get your system back up and running so people can enjoy your facility. We're always a phone call away. We're very knowledgeable. We know these things very well, and we know your system as a whole. So we'll be able to get you back up and running, whether that means in bypass or manual mode, until we can either get someone out there, the following week, or spend more time diagnosing and troubleshooting to get you back up and running as intended.